Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share my page for Patty's hashtag Artisan Journal Prompt 2024, hosted by Patti at Life with Patti. She is hosting an open collaboration. Every week she gives us a prompt, and we create something in our interpretation or our way of crafting, and we put it in a journal. We are on week 15. My gosh, I'm still working on, I think I'm still working on 7. No, 6, 5. I'm still working on 5. So let me share my page. So this week was flowers, and I took the easy way out. I just laid down a lot of some scrap paper of all different types of floral paper I had in my stash. These are just scrap papers that I've had for probably several years now, and I just did a collage of floral paper. I have some Prima paper down here. I have some Hobby Lobby paper, Graphic 45 paper. I think these two are Graphic 45. This one and this one as well. And I think this is Michael's Christmas paper. So I just took different types of floral paper and I laid it down. I added some floral ephemera that I've been trying to use up. I think these maybe came from Maggie Holmes or something. I don't know. But I pulled those out and I started to use them. And then I put this here. It's a little sentiment, I guess. It was from the paper pad, and it just says, just breathe. Breathe in the beautiful floral fragrance of the flowers. So yeah, very simple, very easy. I love collaging. It relaxes me. So this was a wonderful page, and I just love how it turned out. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Thank you, Patti, for this wonderful prompt. I did something similar here with florals, but it was different. A little bit of mixed media, or yeah, with paint and stamping and stuff. So I wanted to do something a little bit different, and I did a collage of, I have a lot of paper, so I wanted to use them up. So thank you, Patti. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.